After having a session with Angelica, I wanted to explore more of my abilities and decided to follow the course Nonverbal. It consisted of 6 lessons, and every lesson was a little party for me. While following the course, I noticed changes in my life from feeling what another person would say before they have said it to me, to meeting new people with complementary characteristics who bring even more deepening in myself. Angelica is a wonderful teacher. She takes her time to explain any question or wondering and is very patient. During the lessons, there is the possibility to exercise together, and she's always available to answer any questions, even outside the lesson. She also checks after the lesson if everything is alright with you. I regard Angelica very highly, and I'm grateful that I have had the chance to work with her. Really, if you want a change in a down to earth way and are willing to work on yourself, go to Angelica. Thank me later.